Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 67. So first we need to decide which sketch we will draw first in SolidWorks. So here is a simple sketch is this one. That is a top plane. Sorry, it is a top view that we will draw in top plane in SolidWorks because it has a very basic shapes and it is easy to draw, and we can create more features by this sketch, and after we'll apply some features to create the final shape. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this shape. So as we have seen, we need to select the top plane and select the sketch, and here select the center rectangle and draw a rectangle like that. Now apply dimension to it, and this length is around 65. Yeah, it is 65, and this length is 50. Now select the fillet and apply it all four corners, and radius of this fillet is 5 mm. Apply OK. Now select the circle and draw 4 circles at all 4 centers of arcs we have drawn. Delete this tangency. Now select all 4 circles and apply equal. Now select smart dimension. Diameter of this circle is 4 mm. Apply OK. Now select one line and draw one line here. Length of distance of this line from this line is 10 mm. And now select circle and draw one circle here. Select smart dimension. Distance of this center from this face, sorry, this edge is 30, and diameter of this circle is 20. Select this center and select this origin and make horizontal. So now we have fully defined. Now select offset entity and select this one and apply 3 mm. So this circle has a diameter of 26 mm. And yeah, now select again line command and draw one line here, and now select the center line and draw one center line, make it horizontal. Now select mirror entity, select this line and mirror over this line, apply OK. Now select smart dimension. The distance between these two lines is 15 mm and apply OK. Now exit. Now we have this shape, right? Now we'll apply the extruded boss features to one by one to create the basic shape. So select the extruded boss and select this sketch, and here select this selected contours and clear the selections. Now select this contour, this, select all contour except this circle, right? And thickness of this is 6 mm. Now again select extruded boss and select the same sketch. Now select this contour, and this contour, and it has a 15 mm thickness. Now again select extruded boss and select the same sketch one. Now select this contour, and here is a 30 mm thickness. And again select extruded boss and select the same sketch. Now select this, and it has a 40 mm thickness. Now our basic shape is ready. Now select the front plane and go to sketch. Now select one circle and draw like that. Distance of this circle from this edge is around 30, and diameter of this circle is 12. Sorry, it is 12, right? So now, and one more thing is, yeah, From here distance is 10 mm. Now select one more circle and draw inside it, and diameter of this circle is 4 mm. Now select a line command and draw one line like that. Select. Now select trim entities and okay, Control Z, just trim this one, okay, and this one, apply okay. Now select the features and select extruded boss, and here select through wall, and here select reaction 2 and apply also through wall, apply okay. Now we need to remove this portion, right? So again select the extruded cut and select the same sketch 1 and select this middle circle, reverse the direction and apply through wall, right? Now we will apply the fillet to it. So select the fillet, select this one and select this one. It is 2 mm fillet, and select the full preview. So you get our basic idea. You get basic idea how fillet will look like. Select this edge, select this, select this. Okay, apply okay. Now again select the fillet and select this edge. It is 6 mm radius. Apply okay. Now again select the front plane and go to sketch. Select circle and draw one circle which has same center to this arc, and diameter of this circle is 4 mm. Apply okay. Go to feature and select extruded cut, and here apply through wall both. Right. Now again select the front plane and go to sketch and select one rectangle. You can add the previous sketch, right? So let's do this both in same, right? Select edit this sketch and here select the center rectangle like that, and okay, width of this rectangle is 6 mm, and distance from here, okay, wait, we need to make it like that, right? So distance from here, select smart dimension. Now select this and it is 30, and again select smart dimension, and distance between these two is 10, and exit, right? So we can create the both things by the same sketch, right? Okay, okay, we have a hole through this, we have a through hole, so here is a material inside that, so we have to remove. So again select this sketch and just select convert entity, select this circle and apply OK and exit, right? So now we have this through hole. Now again select the front plane and go to sketch, select one center line and draw one like that. Now select smart dimension, select the midpoint of the center line and this one and this one. This length is 35, and again select the midpoint of this center line. Where is it? Yeah, it is here, and this one is also 35, right? And angle this is 45, and apply OK and exit. And now here select plane, select this one, and here select I think top plane. Okay, not top plane, and delete this one. Is this front plane, right? And here flip the normal, apply OK. Now select this plane and go to sketch, select circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 20 and make it normal. Now select center rectangle and draw one center rectangle like that. And this dimension is, I think it is, how much is 36? Yeah, it is 36. Okay, there is some problem. What is the problem? First delete this one. Now this dimension is 36. Okay, delete this one, and this one is 36. Right, now select this fillet and apply all four corners. Okay, it is how much? It is 5 mm. Same it is. Yeah, it is 6. Sorry, it is 6. Okay, so Control Z and again select the fillet. It is 6. Apply OK. Now select the center circle and draw circles at all four centers of this arc, and diameter of this circle is 4, and all four circles have the same diameter. I mean all four circles are equal, so apply equal. And now again select the circle and draw one circle from here. Diameter of this circle is 26 and apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded boss. Select this contour and reverse the direction. Here select up to body, and this is the body. Apply OK. Now again select extruded boss and select the same sketch and select this one, and here select blind and it is 4 mm. Reverse the direction. Right, now just hide this sketch and hide this plane also. Now select the front plane and go to sketch. Select one circle and diameter of this circle is 12, so apply 12 and select the center line. Draw center line like that. Select this center line and select this edge and make perpendicular. Now select smart dimension. Diameter length of the center line is 6 here. Yeah, it is 6. And now select one circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 4. Now select features and select extruded boss, and here select up to surface and select this surface. Select this direction 2 and here select also up to surface and select this surface and apply OK. Now select extruded cut and yeah, select this sketch and select this circle, this internal circle, and here select through one and apply OK. Now select fillet and apply here, here and here. It is radius is 2 mm. So now anything is remain. No, it is completed. Now we just need to apply appearance to it. So go to the solid body and Okay, select this fillet and here select appearance, select body, and select this one. And now this is our isometric view. So our exercise has been completed. If you like this, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.